Hello Algebra 2 students. We're going to split up 5.3 into two parts. The first part we're going to evaluate polynomial functions and learn some vocabulary about polynomials. The second part you'll identify general shapes of graphs of polynomial functions. So a polynomial is written in standard form when the values of the exponents are in descending order, so the biggest exponent to the smallest exponent. So descending order, the degree of the polynomial is the value of the greatest exponent, and the leading coefficient is the first term of the polynomial, or the coefficient of the first term rather, and that's the leading coefficient. So here are some examples of polynomials and the degree and the leading coefficient. So feel free to write this down, study it. You'll have to do this on some practice problems. So here I want to find the degree and the leading coefficient. So in order to find the degree and the leading coefficient, we need to put this in standard form. So with the greatest exponent first. So a negative 4x to the 8th plus 3x to the 4th plus 6x cubed plus 2x. So it's in standard form now. So the degree is going to be 8 because we have the biggest exponent, the largest exponent, and the leading coefficient then is going to be negative 4. So a polynomial function is a continuous function that can be described by a polynomial equation in one variable. It only has one variable. And we can evaluate functions for variables in algebraic expressions. So we did this way back in chapter 1, I think, where we just plugged in a number. But now we can plug in algebraic expressions. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to plug in 3c minus 4 for every x that we see. So f of 3c minus 4 equals 3c minus 4 squared plus 2 times 3c minus 4 minus 3. So here we're going to FOIL. Since it's a binomial, we have to make sure that we FOIL it. Here we're going to distribute the 2, so it's going to be 6c minus 12. And then it's going to be minus 3. And it's not 12, it's 8. I don't know what I'm thinking here. I think I'm getting ahead of myself. So minus 8. So let's go ahead and FOIL this out. Pause the video and see if you can finish this out on your own. So this is what I got, and it is the correct answer. So I FOILed here and got 9c squared. These can be put together to minus 24c plus 16, and then I went ahead and combined like terms, put all my c's together. You get negative 18c, put all your naked numbers together, so 16 minus 8 minus 3 is going to give us 5. So now what if we put a few expressions together? So find f of 5a minus 2 plus 3 times f of 2a, given this equation, this polynomial, x squared minus 5x plus 8. So first what I'm going to do is find f of 5a minus 2. Which is going to give us 5a minus 2 squared and minus 5 times 5a minus 2 plus 8. And this I'm going to FOIL. So this will be 25a squared minus 20a plus 4, and here we'll have a negative 25a plus 10 plus 8. So this will end up being 25a squared minus 45a plus 22. So this is the f of 5a minus 2 is right here. So now we got to figure out the second part. 3 times f of 2a. So 3 times f of 2a. So let's plug in 2a for every x that we see. And I'm going to put big parentheses around here so I know I'm timesing. So it's going to be 2a squared minus 5 times 2a plus 8. So why don't you go ahead and pause the video and let's see what you come up with. So you should get 12a squared minus 30a plus 24. And what we're going to do is we're going to take both of these and add them together. So we're going to take 25a squared minus 45a plus 22, this polynomial plus the 3f of 2a, which is 12a squared minus 30a plus 24. So when we combine like terms, my a squareds together, so it's 37a squared, my a's, so it's going to be minus 75a, and then my naked numbers here, which is going to be 46, and that is the correct answer. So that's all I have for you in this video. Go ahead and get started on the second part, and yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Bye guys.